Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix high ping or lag issues in Counter-Strike. We will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step restart. Network hardware and verify connection. Content begin by power cycling your modem and router. Unplug both devices from their power source. Wait for at least 8 seconds. Then plug the modem back in. Wait for it to fully boot, indicated by stable lights, before plugging in the router. While waiting, it's also advisable to reboot your PC once everything is back online. Perform an internet speed test using a reliable service. Each speed test to confirm your connection speed is close to what your ISP provides and that there isn't significant packet loss. High packet loss is a strong indicator of underlying connection problems.
Step optimizing game network settings and server selection. Content launch Counter-Strike and navigate to the game settings menu. Under the game tab, locate the max acceptable matchmaking ping option and set it to a lower value, typically between problems. This ensures the game prioritizes matching you with servers closer to your geographical location, which inherently reduces ping. Additionally, within the network or game settings, ensure that your bandwidth traffic limit is set appropriately for your internet speed, usually unrestricted or high if your connection is robust to allow sufficient data flow for the game. Step by close bandwidth intensive background applications. Content open your task manager, Shift and navigate to the processes tab. Identify and close any applications that are consuming significant network bandwidth or resources in the background. Common culprits include web browsers with numerous tabs open, streaming services, Netflix, YouTube, download client, Steam, downloads for other games, torrents, cloud synchronization services, OneDrive, Google Drive, and even background operating system updates. Prioritize closing anything that isn't essential for running Counter-Strike to free up resources. Step update network drivers and game client content. Outdated network adapter drivers can often be a significant source of latency and instability. Visit your motherboard manufacturer's website for integrated NICs or your network adapter manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers. For your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter, ensure your graphics card drivers are also up to date, as they can sometimes impact overall system performance and stability, indirectly affecting life. Finally, always verify that your Counter-Strike game client is fully updated through Steam, as developers frequently release patches that include network optimizations and bug fixes. Step utilize a wired connection and consider advanced solutions. Content the most reliable method to reduce ping and improve connection stability is to use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is susceptible to interference and signal degradation, leading to higher latency and inconsistency. If a wired connection is not feasible, ensure your Wi-Fi router is optimally placed and operating on a less congested channel. For persistent issues, consider changing your servers to a public faster alternative such as Google's or Cloudflare's, which can sometimes improve routing to game servers.